True. Hi! Hello, Snow White. How's your birthday? Are you happy? Where are you?
I'm in Disneyland.
Wow, you're in Disneyland. That's the castle. Kaso bumabagyo. Are you tired?
I'm eating.
You're eating? You're tired?
Waiting for the fireworks show.
Lots of people greeted you happy birthday. What will you say?
Thank you.
How old are you now?
7.
What are you eating?
M&M. From a toy vending machine.
Okay. Did you enjoy your day? Are you happy? Kahit bumabagyo? Even if it's raining?
I like the puddle.
Yung nag-birthday ka sa Disneyland na nakabota ka? You like your boots? Your rain boots? Where's your... Hello? Shout! Audrey, shout out daw kay Ninang Matet.
Who's Mate?
Ninang Matet, remember Ninang Matet? Hi Ninang, I'm still bungal. Show your bungal. Hello Ninang, I'm still bungal kamo.
When will you come to visit me now?
Come visit me Ninang kamo. Hello Ate Cherry. Shout out Ate Cherry. We're in Disneyland
This
kamo.
one still grew first. Say hi.
Hello Ate Cherry. Ay, there's Dad. And Lola Gina.
Audrey! Happy birthday, Queenie!
Happy birthday Lola.
Birthday to me! Lahat ata may birthday!
Happy birthday. Princess Snow White daw sabi ni Ate Cherry. What will you say? Anak, dito ka pwesto para yung
Agree.
background mo yung ano talaga kita. Nakabota pa siya, my God. Dahil umuulan. Huwag na. Suot mo yung boots mo, lipat ka. Sige na ah. Ang cute nyo daw. Ang cute natin.
Is that a volcano?
Ang cute ng boots.
Mommy, that
Ay, mag-boots ka, tapos lipat ka ng upuan.
Mommy, is that a volcano?
No?
Why does it look like lava's coming out?
Hindi anak. Look, there's an airplane.
The one who saw that.
Say hello, Ate Cherry. Ate Cherry is watching.
Hello.
Napagod na ang Princess Snow White namin.
Who is Kabog?
Shout out daw kay Ninang Michelle. Audrey, say hi Ninang Michelle. Where's my gift Ninang kamo? Yung Ninang mong vlogger. Say hi Ninang. Hi Ninangs.
Hi, Ninangs. Next time, sama po kayo sa...
Sama po kayo sa sunod kamo. May bagyo dito, Brad. Tignan mo, nakabota yung Disney princess nyo.
Number 3.
Signal number 3, grabe ulan kanina. Audrey, ang ganda mo dyan, oh. Kasi paano ko siya pipicturein ng naka-live?
Wait.
Hindi ako marunong. Ano?
There's a message here.
Pengi daw ng picture.
See, there's a message here.
What's the message there?
It looks like you can't read it, but the magnifying glass actually works.
That's Desica.
Really?
This one says,
That's a Desica.
Suot mo na yung boots mo.
Nina Bell
Mhm.
is really,
You sing na lang, dali. Ano ba yung song ni Snow White?
I don't know.
Song nung Seven Dwarfs alam ko eh. Yung hi ho, yung ganon. Audrey, ano ba song ni Snow White?
Message, can you read it?
I don't know how. Ang late kaya.
Magnifying glass.
Oh.
Can you read it now?
Tell them na lang what happened in Disney. What did you see here at Disneyland?
Bagyo.
Bagyo. Bagyo at ulan. Naka-raincoat ka pa kanina, di ba?
Me too.
Ah, Winnie the Pooh. Nag-ride ka sa Winnie the Pooh ride. And then, did you enjoy the Winnie the Pooh ride? Ha, Audrey? Nag-enjoy ka, anak? Are you happy? It's your 7th birthday and you're here?
Kain.
Kain? You enjoyed your food? You enjoyed your cake? Hmm?
But after the Winnie the Pooh and before we ate, actually, we went to a Winnie the Pooh store
Mm-hmm.
right next to it.
And then?
And that's where I got this. Linabel. Her name
Ah, makikita. Audrey, sabi natin, Cherry, makikita mo din daw yung bagyo dun sa Pilipinas. Pumunta ka pa talaga dito pa. Dito ka pa nagpabagyo. Nakabota, Brad. Oh, ang boots niya, ang rain boots niya, red. Sige, kain. Gutom? Pagod ikaw? You tired na? You sing na lang. Hello guys, mag-vlog ikaw dali. Say hi guys. Naka-live ka ang nilalive mo, mukbang mo dyan sa M&M's. Sarap? Pagod ka na? Dito ka anak oh. Para
Where am I?
post ka daw, mag-screenshot si Ate Cherry. Dali. Tsura mo naman. Dali. Dito ka kasi sa gitna para yung dito ka pa anak, para yung background mo yung mismong castle. Dali. Stand ka kaya? Can you stand? Oh. Sige. Careful ah. Yes. Ah, ang Disney princess. Nakamedyas ka naman. Isuot mo yung boots mo ah. Ha, makita po raw aji sa ka na. Kabila, kabila, kabila. Ah. Wait lang. Oh, the other one. Kabila. Ayan. Oh, mag-post ka na. Saan yung one? Oh. Ah. Yung ano mo. Oh. Tingin ka, post ka daw kay Ate Cherry. Dali. Post ka daw kay Ate Cherry. Hindi ko alam. Happy birthday daw, Drake. Sabi ni Tita Ninang Joyce. Audrey, what will you say? Sabi ni Tita Joyce, happy birthday.
With that?
Ang Snow White naming ano, pagod na.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ninang Joyce.
Next time, wanna be with Ate Sophia.
Pagod na, pa-live-live na lang dito sa harap ng castle. Bumabagyo sa Hong Kong.
Buwara!
Picture ka daw, sabi ni ate. Post ka daw, sabi ni ate, ano, Ate Cherry. Hindi mo daw sinama si Sophia. O, sama mo sa Ate Sophia sa susunod. Dalawa kaya, gusto mo? Yung hindi na bumabagyo, Diyos ko bumabagyo. Sarado lahat ng outdoor rides. Hindi niya nasulit. Pati nga Momentus eh. Nakaabang na kami, Brad. Nakapwesto na kami dito. Kaso yung Momentus canceled din dahil sa bagyo. Hulog na. Oh, you sing na lang. You sing na lang. You sing na lang para may mapanood yung mga nanonood sa ano mo, live mo. Ah, what will you sing? Golden? Oo, kasi signal number 3. Canceled lahat ng outdoor. Diyos ko, puro indoor lang napuntahan namin. Oh, sa live tayo magchismisan. Charot. Sing na anak.
Happy birthday to me.
Yay! Si Rana, si Rana. Oh, wala na. Yan kasi. Nano, si Rana. Wala na, si Rana. Okay lang anak. Minsan mo lang naman yan gagamitin. Kaya rin ang nasira mo yan. Oh, saan ka punta? Wala na, hindi mo na yan madidikit. O, doon ka na, dali. Balik ka dun. You sing there. Sing ka na lang ng golden yun. Memorize mo, di ba? Iniwan mo daw si Ate Fia.
Pia?
Si Ate Sofia.
I fixed it.
Oh no. Hayaan mo na, anak. Hayaan mo na, wala na yan. Sira, na, masisira, matatanggal yung ano. Never mind. Balik ka dun. You sing na lang.
I'm gonna pagkain.
Audrey, you sing na lang. Dre. Wala na, no? Pauwi na lahat, no? Oh, nagsisilabas. Ha? Hindi. So, maikot tayo? Sarado din yan. Tara, ikot na lang tayo. Say bye, guys. Audrey, bye, guys. Gutom ka? Okay.